Leave our sheep alone for a week or 10 days at a time. When we come back in the future, they may have moved or even scattered. We need some method of recognition, preferably at a distance. And for that we place the colours of paint on the sheep. If I need to get my sheep together or take them home, it's work for the dogs. And I've got some sheep above us so you can look at the dog at work. To keep everything interesting for you, I'm going to try and predict the future. The dog to our right will run to the right. We'll move the sheep across the top to the left. Hopefully they'll come through the large shrubs which are high on the left, and when I get them another 20 or 30 yards down the left, I'll start moving them angleways across the field until they are there. Now you needn't pay too much attention to the whistle signals. They are directions to the dog. I do explain them to you later.
Or even up here. There you go.
You think he's barking at him? I think he's down about it.
God.
Wait. Slow down.
My God, this is marvelous, isn't it? The way he brings the sheep down.
Ready with you, take time. Now then.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you indeed. I know it's for the dog, but thank you anyway. Now sometimes we get our sheep collected and we might need to make selections. I will want to take big from small. I may want to get lambs for market, so the dogs will help select. Once more, to keep everything interesting, I'd like to select twice. And each time I select it, I'll make it 2 sheep. Now sheep like they like their own company and they don't like being separated. And what I'm about to do is the very last thing a dog will learn in its education away. So 2 first, 2 then. You know, Max. Slow down.
They're like Easter bunnies.
Look at that.
I'm done.
Good job. Good job, Max.
The sheep are even
Two brought two?
Marvelous, isn't it?
Now everybody, to make selections, you'll notice one of the dogs help me separate, and one will constantly collect and watch any selections I should make. Here, get out. Oh, when? Oh, here. Stay there. Oh. Here. Now, when I have a Guinness at the weekend, he watches over my drink just like that.
We're pretty good at staying on.
Sit down. So, dogs are smiling, shepherd smiling, cheese. Now everybody, a dog has 4 basic signals to learn and follow. You'll hear me keep in contact with the dog saying steady, take your time, slow down, all of which they will be responding to, but they are basically following 4 signals which are forward, stop, left and right. While I'm in this position, let's have a quick little look at right and left. Here. When let's sit down. Each dog follow its own set of signals which are different. It's not a different language. It's just different signals. So I can use the dogs independently. So by way out. If the dog is working at a distance, much easier communicate by whistle. So, by placing the dog at different angles to the sheep, I can move them anywhere I like. If I place a dog on your side of those sheep, I can move them forward. Steady, steady. If I order the dog beyond the sheep, I can turn them back.
God.
If I place the dog to the left, the sheep will naturally move to the right. So now you're beginning to notice where I place the dog, decide where I want my sheep to go. Hopefully all this is beginning to make sense to everybody before I make these sheep dizzy. Steady with you. Sit down. If I'm out collecting sheep in reality, I will take 3, maybe 4 dogs. Thank you. If I'm out collecting in reality, I may take 3 or 4 dogs so I can change them if they're tired. And it's the whole reason the signals need to be different. Lie down. Slow down.
Sheep are. I'm thinking maybe just a